Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a card in Trello. So let's get right into it. Now, Trello is a information slash productivity slash work slash whatever you want management program. You can create a board where you can create lists which contain cards, and then you can use those cards to add information to them, add a description, keep track of your, well, whatever you need to do, your obligations and such. And yeah, it is very useful if you want to organize your time or your business or your team. It is very, very useful. Now, to create a list and a card, you need to create a board. And first, of course, create a Trello account. But once you log in and create a board, then you need to go and add another list. Then enter the list name. I'll just write name, and then click on add a card. Here you'll just add a name for the card as well, and now the card has been created. If you want to change the info of the card, you can either click the icon here which is pencil, which is edit a card, or you can click wherever on the card you want. You'll get this menu. You can add members, labels, checklists, dates, attachments. You can even link different cards to this card. It really depends on what you're looking for, but yeah, pretty much that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.